I just filmed myself.
I got it pointed the wrong way. That's why we edit, right?
That's exactly. All right, we're out in the Cohutta wilderness, and we're actually near the end of our hike today. We're heading back to my good friend Sleeves. We're heading back to his truck. We came out today searching for some hidden treasures in the Cohutta, and man, did it pay off or what?
Man, I'm telling you what, that was special.
It was amazing. So you guys are going to see the footage and everything. We came out to look for a hidden waterfall, and we found it, and it over and above anything I expected. It was just wow. It was amazing.
That's the word to say. Wow.
Yeah, just,
amazing.
That's about all I can say. It's just wow. So anyway, it was beautiful, and we're going to head back to this truck now. I did want to say one thing. We're out here. It's like I said, it's a hidden waterfall. It's not on any marked trails, and for that reason, we both decided to not disclose the exact location. I will say that if you really want to see it, then there's enough clues online that you could probably find it yourself. But if you want to find it yourself, then go knock yourself out, because man, it was worth the trip. It wasn't easy to get to, but it was really a worthwhile endeavor. So we really enjoyed it, and like I said, it was amazing. And I'm with my good friend Sleeves here, and if you haven't checked his channel, check him out. I'll make sure put his information in the box down there below. He has a great channel. He's going to be hiking AT starting in February, so keep up with him and cheer him on. So thanks, everybody.
Good deal.
Take two. All right, we think we have the first glimpse right here. There's a lot of ice around it. It's still, I imagine, at least in the 20s right now.
thing off to make it look a little better.